All right, good evening, guys. This is the Blessed Man, and in this video, I want to teach you how to create a new wallet for your Zenfi ecosystem while you are getting ready for the launch of this project. You need to, for you to be able to register in Zenfi, you need a Web3 wallet. And this Web3 wallet can either be Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, or MetaMask, or any other safe Web3 wallet you want to use. But right here, we want to use the Trust Wallet here. So what you need to do, if you don't have Trust Wallet on your phone already, just go to Play Store, click on search, then go here and type Trust Wallet, okay? Because I already have my own, look at it here. Your own will be writing install, while my own here is saying open. So I'll just click on open. So now, if this is the first time you have just installed your own and you open it, the first thing it will tell you is to create your password. 6 words that you can remember, 6 numbers that you can remember. Then once you create it, you will be able to confirm it again, and then the next thing it is going to open. So here I will just put my password because I already have this here. So now your own is not going to bring you to this dashboard. It's not going to bring you here. All right, so your own is going to ask you create a new wallet, or you should import an existing wallet. So import an existing wallet or create a new wallet. All right, but if you already have Trust Wallet already, you have created some wallet before, the only thing you need to do right now is to click on this name, click on the name of all these wallets you have, and then you click on add wallet. Okay, click on add wallet. It's just like the person who is saying create new wallet or add existing one. So I'll click on add wallet. So this is where it's going to bring me. If you are starting newly, this is what you are going to see: create a new wallet or add an existing wallet. So we are creating a new wallet, so I'm going to click on create wallet. So now when you click on create wallet, it will just go straight away and create a wallet for you. Just click on skip here, click on skip here. So once you click on skip, go ahead and look at up here. You can see where it wrote main wallet 5, main wallet 5. Click on it to change the name. You will locate it here. You can see this good that is marked here. So this main wallet 5 is what I want to use for Zenfi. So I'll just click on this 3 dots beside it. Then I'll change the name. I'll change the name to Zenfi wallet. Okay, Zenfi wallet. So once I do that, there is a good on top beside delete button. There is a good sign of good there. Just click on that sign of good and this name will be changed. You can see it, Zenfi wallet. Then the next step is for you to save your 12 secret phrase. This is very, very important. You need to do this very meticulously, because once you lose this your 12 secret phrase, you may not be able to have access to this account again. Even if you have built your business to level 12 in Zenfi, you will lose everything entirely. So what you do is that come to that particular place where you have name, click on the 3 dots again. Then when you look at here, you can see secret phrase backup. We'll have Google Drive backup now, manual backup now. Click on manual backup. I'll click on this. Then select this, select the second one and click on continue. All right. So when you click on continue here, you are going to see, you are not seeing it right now. My screen is going to be blank because you are not supposed to see my 12 secret phrase. So but you are going to see your own. You are going to see 12 letter words. Copy them out word by word, number them. Number 1, you will just enter it in small letters. Do not use capital letter. Number 2, just copy it. Just copy it. All right. Number 3, just copy. Bring out a diary and use your diary to write this. Later you can put it in another place. I'll copy This is number 5. I'll write number 5. Number 6. What is number 6? Make sure you don't fail. Copy it correctly. What is this? Okay. Capital. Okay. Number 7. I'll write number 8. Diagram. Number 9. Okay. Number 10. Number 10. I'll write it. Number 11. Number 12. So now I've completed the writing down of this my 12 phrase, and then I'll click on continue. It will ask me to confirm word number 1. So I'll just select the number 1 here. My number 1 is blame. Then I'll go to number 4. I'll confirm number 4, whatever it is, just click on it. Then go to number 7, confirm word number 7, confirm it. Then go to word number 10. Number 10, confirm it for them. And boom, just click on confirm. Now, once you click on confirm, you can see that your manual is now active, all right? It's now active. So you click this arrow at the top by the left hand side. Click on it. It will return you back to this place. Click on the arrow at the top again. By the left hand side corner, it will bring you to your dashboard. But when you look up here, you can see the name of that wallet, Zenfi wallet. So the next thing you are going to do here is you are going to see send, receive, swap, buy. Then under it, you see crypto, you see watch list, you see NFT, you see something that look like clock. Then you see 2 lines with something like a circle on them. Click on it, the last button by the right. Click on it, and then first of all, turn off this hide asset with less than 0.01. Just turn it off. Okay, once you turn it off, you will see dust cleaner. You will see manage crypto. Click on manage crypto. All right, now when you come here, you have to activate the coin that we need. We need BNB on smart chain, and then we need USDT on Binance chain also for Zenfi. So all you need to do here, if you want to get it faster, go to the search button here, and then click on all network. Click on all network. You can see all network here. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB. Just click on that all network. Scroll to the left or right, I don't know. Just scroll to left. You will see the total number here. Click on that total number. Then it will bring you to all network. Then go to search and put BNB. Okay, and select Binance chain. Once you select Binance chain, every coin you are going to see here will be related to Binance chain. So the first thing you activate here is Binance smart chain. Just activate it. Then go to search and type USDT. So type USDT here, and then activate the first one. That's all. So once you do this, you click on the arrow by the left hand side. Click on the arrow by the left hand side. It will bring you back to your dashboard. Okay, sorry. Click here. Please turn off this. Don't touch this hide asset less than 0.0. Don't touch it. You know, I made a mistake by telling you to turn it on. If it is on, just turn it off. Okay, so that you can be able to see all the cryptos that are in your wallet. So go back or cancel it. So now we can be able to see Binance, then USDT. Now your wallet is ready. The next thing you need to do right now is to buy or fund your wallet. To fund your wallet, if you want to register Zenfi with USDT, that means you are going to buy USDT and put here. If you are going to register with BNB, okay, then you are going to buy BNB here. So but it's always easier for you to get USDT. So you will click on this USDT. So when you click on it, here, then you click on receive. Okay, so once you click on receive, you click copy. Now this is the wallet address you will send to anybody that want to send you this USDT. Remember that when you buy it, after you have bought a USDT inside here, you need to swap some of the tokens. Let's say you want to do slot 1 to 3, which is $70. You buy USDT $70, then you need to have like $2 worth of BNB. So that means you are going to buy maybe $72 or $75. So once the thing have arrived in your wallet, you need to swap it. You need to swap it, that $2 worth, to BNB. So you click on USDT when you have received your USDT. Then what you need to do here is to click on trade. Okay, click on trade here, then click on swap. All right, if it is swap that you are seeing, just click on swap. Then you are swapping from USDT to BNB. So you just click on this, the one that is on top. Okay, what you do is click on this arrow, no USDT balance. Okay, they have actually changed this. So click on the first one. What's going on here? Sorry. Okay, swapping. So let me see here. This is a new trust wallet. So swap settings, markets. Okay. All right. Okay. So just hold on. This is a new feature on Trust Wallet. Let me try it again to swap. Then when I click on this, I'll select BNB. So when I select BNB, the next thing is now to add the amount. Okay, here let me select USDT. Then I will now put the amount. Okay, I will now put the amount that I want to swap. Maybe like BNB, let's say 0.005. You'll be looking at it. It will show you the dollar equivalent. Remember, you are looking for, like, let's say $2 worth of this that you are going to swap. Just make sure that but it's always good for you to buy BNB, because if you want to swap this thing right now and you don't have BNB for gas fee for this swap, it will not go. It is either you give somebody money that will buy the thing and send you both USDT and then BNB, okay, so that you can now get ready for your registration. Or if you are the one buying it yourself, you need to buy BNB, and then when you get BNB, you can now swap some BNB to USDT that you want to use for registration. But remember that you can still use BNB to do registration in Zenfi. So this is just a simple way for you to create your new wallet and then get ready.